Dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are fine. We are discussing 7th lesson, Animal Life. In this lesson, we discussed about different body coverings in animals, different eating habits of animals, different methods of breathing, and different methods of movement. In that, we discussed about animals that move on land. Today, let's discuss about the adaptations in animals that fly and animals that swim. First, let's study about animals that fly. Animals that spend most of their time in air are called as aerial animals. Can you say example for aerial animals? Yes, birds, bats, insects like mosquitoes, houseflies, butterflies, etc. are aerial animals. So they have certain special features in their body that helps them to fly easily in air.
What are the adaptations in birds which help them to fly easily in air?
Yes, they have wings for flying. Their front legs are modified into wings and their bodies are covered with feathers. They have hollow bones filled with air. This makes their body light and helps them to fly easily in the air. All birds cannot fly. Birds like ostrich, emu, cassowary, penguin, etc. are flightless birds. They cannot fly because of their heavy body and poorly developed wings. But they are good runners. They can run very fast. Houseflies, mosquitoes, bees, butterflies, etc. are flying insects. They can fly easily because of their light weight of the body and light wings. Now let's see about animals that swim. So which are the special features in animals that swim? Fish swim in water with the help of fins. They have 3 types of fins which is used to maintain the balance of their body, to change direction and also to stop. Some fish use their fins as oars to push water and move forward. Frogs swim in water with the help of their webbed feet. Turtles have flippers which helps them in swimming. Penguins have wings which work like flippers and helps in swimming.
The water boatman is an insect that uses its legs as oars to swim. Prawns and tadpoles swim with their legs. So fish swim with the help of fins. Frogs have webbed feet for swimming. Turtles use their flippers for swimming. Penguins have wings that work like flippers. Then water boatman uses its legs as oars to swim. Prawns and tadpoles swim with their legs.
Some animals living in very cold places like Siberia in Russia cannot bear the cold during winter season. So they travel long distances, that is thousands of miles, to find food, warmth and also to give birth to their babies. They travel alone or in large groups. When the winter ends, they return back to their original home. This seasonal movement of animals from one place to another is called as migration. Examples of animals that shows migration are Arctic tern, monarch butterfly, Siberian crane, etc.
The Siberian cranes used to come to India during winter and go back to Siberia during summer. But due to the widespread use of pesticides, their population has decreased and they have not been seen in India for more than 10 years now. Then Arctic tern also shows migration. They travel more than 70,000 kilometers from the Arctic region in winter to the Antarctic where it is summer at that time and back again. Some types of butterflies also migrate. For example, monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico during winter and fly back to Canada during summer. Then some eels that live in rivers swim more than 6,000 kilometers to the sea to reproduce. The young eels swim back to the rivers from where their parents come. So we have completed this lesson. Now let's do the text exercises. Open your textbook, page number 55. Section A, choose the correct options. First question, what do snakes have on their bodies to protect them? What is the answer? Yes, snakes have scales to protect their body. So the answer is option B. Second question, which of these is a herbivore? 4 options are there: cat, dog, horse, wolf. Answer is option C, horse. Third question, what do fish breathe through? Fish breathe through their gills. Fourth one, what do birds use to walk and perch on trees? What is the answer? Yes, hind limbs. Option C, hind limb. Because their forelimbs are modified into wings. So to walk and perch on trees, they use their hind limbs. Fifth one, what do penguins use to swim? Answer is flippers. Penguins have wings that work like flippers and are used for swimming. Then section B, give one word for the following. First question, the body covering of a snail. It is shell. Second question, the thick covering of hair on polar bears. What is the answer? Yes, fur. Third one, the breathing holes in the nose. Breathing holes in the nose is called as nostrils. Fourth one, the front limbs of animals that live on land. Answer is forelimb. F-O-R-E-L-I-M-B. Fifth one, traveling along long distances away from home to find better living conditions. That is called as migration. Next is section C. Unscramble the letters to form words. Then fill in the blanks. First question. The hard outer covering on the body of a turtle is called a dash. You have to unscramble the alphabets written in the bracket. What is the answer? Yes, shells. Second question. Dash have hair on their bodies. Answer is mammals. Third one, animals that eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores. Fourth question, frogs breathe through their dash on land and through their dash in water. What is the answer? Yes, frogs breathe through their lungs on land and through their skin in water. Fifth one, insects take in air through spiracles.
So today we have discussed about adaptations in animals that fly and animals that swim, and also studied the term migration with examples. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read textbook page number 53 and 54. From notebook, study question number 8 and 9 from fill in the blanks. Question number 3 and 4 from name the following. And question number 6 and 7 from answer the following. A YouTube URL is attached along with this. Watch the video. A test paper is also attached. Do the test and submit it. See you in the next class. Thank you.